Hi, excuse me?
Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
I need some new clothes. This is my first time shopping here.
No problem. What are you looking for?
I have a job interview next week. I need something nice.
Okay, a job interview. That's exciting.
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, we can find something good. What kind of job is it?
It's an office job.
Great. Then I think a blazer and some pants will look nice.
A blazer? What's that?
It's a formal jacket, like this one.
Oh, I see. That's pretty.
What size are you?
I'm not sure, actually.
That's okay. Many people don't know. Let me check.
Thank you.
You look like a small or a medium.
Okay. Can I try both?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
Great, thank you.
Take your time.
Okay.
Do you need any help with the sizes?
No, I think I'm okay for now.
All right, I'll be right here.
Thanks. Excuse me, Joey.
Yes?
The small is too tight.
Okay, let's try the medium then.
Here it is.
How does it feel?
This one feels better.
Good. Can you move your arms easily?
Yes, I can.
Perfect. Then medium is your size.
Okay, good to know.
Do you like the color?
I like it, but do you have it in black?
Let me check.
Thank you.
Yes, we have black too.
Great. I like black better for an interview.
I agree. Black looks very professional.
Can I try the black one too?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. I like this one a lot.
It looks really nice on you.
Thank you. Now I need pants too.
What color do you want?
Maybe gray or black.
We have both. Follow me.
Okay.
Here are the pants. What's your size?
I think medium again.
Let's try this pair first.
Sure. These are a little long.
That's okay. We can shorten them.
Really? You can do that here?
Yes, we have a tailor in the store.
Oh, that's helpful.
It usually takes 1 day.
1 day is fine. My interview is next week.
Then you have enough time.
Great, let's do that.
Okay, I'll write it down.
Thank you.
Do you need a shirt too?
Oh, yes. I forgot about that.
What color do you like?
Maybe white or light blue.
Both are good for interviews.
Can I see them?
Sure, here they are.
I like the white one.
Good choice, simple and clean.
What size should I get?
Same as before, medium.
Okay, let's try it.
The fitting room is free now.
Thanks. This shirt fits well.
I'm glad to hear that.
Now I have everything I need.
Almost. Do you have shoes for the interview?
No, not yet.
We have some simple black shoes too.
Can I see them?
Of course, this way.
These look nice.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear a 7.
Let me check if we have that size.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a 7.
Great. Can I try them?
Sure, here you go.
They feel comfortable.
That's important for a long day.
Yes, especially for an interview.
Did you want these shoes too?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll add them to your order.
Thank you.
So you have a blazer, pants, a shirt, and shoes.
Yes, that sounds right.
Let's go to the counter.
Okay.
Here is your total.
That's more than I expected.
I understand. Do you want to remove anything?
No, I think I need everything.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you have any discounts?
Actually, yes. New customers get 10% off.
Really? That's great news.
Yes, I'll apply it now.
Thank you so much.
Your new total is lower now.
That helps a lot.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please?
Sure, one moment.
Okay.
Please put your card here.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Great, the payment is complete.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about the pants.
Right, the tailor.
When can you come back?
Maybe tomorrow afternoon?
That works. We close at 6.
Okay, I'll come before 6.
Perfect. I'll have them ready.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Good luck with your interview.
Thank you. I really need it.
You'll do great. You look very professional now.
I feel more confident already.
That's the most important thing.
One more question.
Sure, go ahead.
Can I return items if something is wrong?
Yes, you have 14 days.
Oh, that's good to know.
Just keep your receipt.
I will, thank you.
Do you need a bag for your clothes?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. This is heavier than I thought.
New clothes always are.
True.
Is there anything else you need?
No, I think that's everything.
Great. See you tomorrow for the pants.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Have a nice day, Emma.
You too, Joey. Actually, wait.
Yes?
Can I also buy a belt?
Sure, we have some near the shoes.
Can you show me?
Of course, follow me.
This black one looks good.
It matches your shoes too.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Okay, let's add it to your order.
Thank you.
Your new total is a little higher now.
That's okay. It's worth it.
Would you like to pay by card again?
Yes, please.
All right, one moment.
Sure.
All done. You're ready for your interview now.
Thank you for everything, Joey.
It was my pleasure.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you then. Good luck.